loves, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Need a quick hairstyle but don't want it to take up half of your time? If you like what you see, stay tuned and I'll show you just how to get this done. Subscriber of the week goes to, and I thank you. Okay, sweethearts, my hair is washed, conditioned, and blow dried. We are going to be conditioning our hair throughout this hairstyle, so stay tuned. I got this hair at my local beauty supply store. It's mini Afro large. I got it in T-Bug. You can get it from from Amazon as well. What I like about this hair is how natural it feels. It feels like natural 4B, 4C hair. You know, it doesn't bunch up. It doesn't lock up. It's all soft, so I think it's perfect for this hairstyle. You guys, doing these high puffs, I am going to do a part down the middle of my head. You can switch it up and do some zigzags, some swirls. Hey, do whatever you like. Okay, when moisturizing my hair, I am going to be using this Wonder Grow coconut grease, if you will. Remember, all of my products are going to be listed in the description box below, so check it out. If you can't see the back of your head, I have a solution for that, and that is this beautiful mirror, you guys. That's a cheat sheet right there. Having that cheat sheet works for a lot of things. It will help you part your hair in the back. It'll get your hair straight, and it'll get you places to where you think you can't get. That mirror will help you get. We are moisturizing our hair, you guys, because our hair is going to be put up. Anytime you put your hair up or lock your hair up, you want to make sure you moisturize it and keep it nice and oiled. I decided I wanted to put two little twists in the front just to give the puffs a little pizzazz. I decided to use the black Pro Style gel and the black tubed Got To Be glue because, you know, I've been using this black gel since I was younger and it's always held my hair together. If my hair was permed or like now when it's not permed, natural, it just holds together, and I don't know, I think I'm going to stick to it forever, you know. It's just always gave me that natural hold and I love it. Now using this Got To Be glue, this is actually going to give it that extra hold, which I love. I was introduced to Got To Be glue a couple years ago and I wasn't using it until now. So if you really want that extra hold and you know that it's going to stay, then actually use both of these together. And again, as you can see, my hair is not permed. This is natural. So using both of these methods together really works. Look at that. You see how it's slaying? You see how it's slicking? You guys, this is all you really need. You need a nice, good brush, a sturdy brush that's going to take care of your nice, thick hair. So all we're going to do with our natural hair is just we're going to braid it up, and then we're going to wrap it around each other so we can give the puffs a nice bed to lay in. I'm also using the Lock and Twist by Bobbi Boss and 1B T-Bug just so it can match the Afro puffs at the top, sweeties. All my products are going to be listed in the description box below. Starting this twist off, we're going to start it off like it's a natural box braid. And once we braid down to where we know that it's nice and secure, we're going to split our natural hair into two, and then we're going to braid down tightly. Once we're braiding down, we're going to add some shine and gem to our natural hair just so it can mend well together, so it can blend in. So if you want, you can try to hide it, you can tuck your natural hair, but I like how the black and the bug mixes together. I think it's cute. Alright loves, these puffs come with 2 combs and a drawstring. Okay, you're going to grab one comb and you're going to put that in the front. You're going to make sure it's nice and secure, and then you're going to put the other comb behind that and make sure that's nice and secure. And then you're going to grab the drawstring and you're going to pull that. You guys, again, don't make it too tight, because remember, the tighter, the more it's going to be uncomfortable. So make sure it's not too tight when you're wrapping it around your head. And then once you get them in, sweethearts, you're just going to match them. You're going to make sure each puff matches each other. And there you have it. You know, you're done. It didn't take that long at all. It took 15 minutes, my love. And these are the finished results, my love. So simple, so easy, and it's just for you. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to like, comment, share, most definitely subscribe. I love you, even if I don't know you. I'll see you guys next time.